Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Let's Crack OPSC. Hope all of your preparation going well. And as many of you have given me send me email, messaged me, and many of our already course subscribers asked me when our OPSC 2021 prelim examination test series will be provided. So I had as earlier declared I will be providing you test series, telling you whatever the things I will be providing in our test series. See, in 2020, if you will see the OCS pattern, little bit of tough, especially the whatever the pattern was followed till 2019, it was little bit made tougher in 2020 prelim examination. You people might have, all those people who have already appeared till 2019, they might have felt that the pattern of setting question has become in the civil services standard. So if you will see the vacancy, the number of vacancies up to 2000, especially 2020 examination was 392 vacancies were there, and finally how many people appeared in the main examination? The number of candidates who appeared the main examination this time is 4,754 total. This many number of candidates, they wrote the main examination. Many of them, I know many of them didn't appear, but still this many number where the list was there that this many number will appear the main examination. So if you will take the ratio, you will find that 12 into 12.12755. This many number candidates they have taken. So if going by the same ratio, if we will see 2021 OCS examination, the number of vacancies is 433. Earlier they had given 405 and they added another 28. So the total number of vacancies rose up to 433 number of vacancies. And if you will see, if the same ratio is followed, I personally believe the same ratio will be followed in main number of candidate selection for the main examination. And if you will find it, you will be finding it somewhere around this, approximate 5,196. It may be more only. It will not be less, but as per my prediction, it will be somewhere around 5,200 candidates will be writing the main examination this time. So the problem is, I will be telling you what will be the problem this time. This time, because of government has increased the, you can say, the age limit. They have increased the age limit of another 6 years. So already all those veteran candidates, they will be automatically eligible to apply for this particular examination. So the level of competition will be going to get tougher this time. I am not terrifying you, I am telling you the hard fact. Hard fact is this, that due to the raising of the age bar, automatically all those candidates who were not eligible for this post previously, they will become eligible. So automatically the number of candidates, last time some 63 to 64,000 appeared the prelim examination, but how many got selected? Only 4,754. So this time we do not know how many number of candidates will apply. I personally believe it will increase by another 5,000 or 10,000, because 6 years is quite a long time. And all those veterans will be coming into the picture, automatically the number of candidates will go up. So this time the competition is going to get tougher. So talking about our test series, what we are going to provide in our test series. See, last time generally it is being seen that in polity they are asking somewhere between 14 to 16 questions. So we will be providing you 5 sectional tests of total polity. Last time I had given the completely full length test, but because of dynamic nature of OPSC, we are looking into the trend which OPSC is following. On those lines, we have decided to provide you highest quality test series. For that reason only we are providing sectional first, then we will be providing you full length. First sectional, in order to target 14 to 16 questions, we will be providing you 6 sectional tests. All will be consisting 100 questions each. Then history, they are also asking some really especially if you will see, they are asking from NCERTs also. So looking into that particular portion, we have designed our history sectional also. You will be getting another 5 sets for history portion. They are asking, in OPSC they are asking somewhere between 14 to 16 questions from history. That includes 2 to 3 questions from ancient times. Then medieval they will be asking another 4 to 5. Then rest 6 to 7 or 8 questions from the modern time. So that comes around 14 to 16 questions. So in order to help you tackle those questions, we will be providing you 5 sets for history. Apart from that, geography they are asking somewhere between 10 to 12 question or even 14 question. But generally it is ranging somewhere between 8 to 12 questions generally. So the number of set you will get in geography, that is 300 high quality research based MCQs you will be getting. All this I am telling you research based, depending upon OPSC trend, depending upon the kind of a quality OPSC has been following since so many years, and the recent changes which has happened in the OPSC. The main examination change has happened and I have given you that particular video. I hope you have watched that particular video. Then environment they are asking, especially I personally hope you might be having that Shankar IAS book. That is very important. Shankar IAS book, they are asking many questions from Shankar IAS. Then you will be getting somewhere around 10 to 14 questions from environment. In order to tackle those, we will be providing you two sectional tests for environment. Then apart from that, economics they last time they had asked from NCERT like M1, M2, this kind of a question they have asked. So I have spoken to my research team and we have decided we will be providing you high quality 5 sets of high quality economics test, and you will be able to tackle those 12 to 14 or 15 questions. Then science and tech they are asking very high number of questions, around 14 to 18 questions. Last time somewhere around 18 to 19 questions they asked from the science and tech. And science and tech they are asking from the emerging science as well as the applied science. This kind of a question they are asking. So we will be providing you 5 sectional tests for science and tech. Then apart from that, current affairs, this is the game changer. I am telling you, all this, everybody, I personally believe who are the average student, all those subject domain, many of the coaching institutes as well as your personal, preparation will help you. But the game changer is this, current affairs. This 14 to 16 question will make you or break you. And here we are doing very deep research with our team, and our team is doing deep research on current affairs. Whatever the current affairs they have asked, we are doing some 12, 15, 20. Till the time we are making 12 or 15 or 20 questions from a single question of UPSC. We are not leaving that question. That level of research we are doing. So current affairs will be your bonus. Apart from this 25 sectional test, we will be providing you full length test. It is up to the full length test because we are not compromising on the full length test. Not only we will be providing you sectional test, there will be 30 full length tests. 30 full length tests will also be provided to you. Then total 55 tests will be given to you. Apart from that, the last time many of our test series subscribers they said that we didn't provide you CSAT. This time you will get CSAT as bonus. 10 CSAT tests will be given to you in free bonus. Apart from that, MCQ 500, as I told you, the game changer is current affair. if you do not do current affair properly, then automatically you will be out of the race. And this time, mind you, the competition is going to be very much tougher because of raising of the age bar by the OPSC. So 500 MCQ, research based MCQ, that particular research based MCQ will cover everything starting from national current affair plus Odisha GK, Odisha current affair. All this will be included in this particular current affair portion. We will be giving you that free of cost. This is your bonus. This 10 set for CSAT plus 5 current affair plus GK of Odisha. It will be a bonus. Apart from that, subject wise strategic classes I will take. From when the moment you join, I will be taking you what is the current focus of OPSC, and I will be telling you what are the portions OPSC is asking, and I will be taking your subject wise strategy from initial period. Then after you will start giving tests. Then apart from that, I will do a MCQ handling class. MCQ handling master class, MCQ handling class just before your prelim examination. This is going to be a very important aspect, how you can cross the cutoff. In OPSC or even UPSC, your target supposed to be above the cutoff. Especially you supposed to be above 110 marks. That I have repeated that in many of the videos. I have told you that you have to target somewhere above 110 in order to be safe. Not only that, you will be totally tension free all your 2 months till the time OPSC declares the prelim result. You will not be having the mental tension. You can focus on your main examination. For that reason only, you supposed to be targeting 55 plus. In order to help you achieve that, you have to target at least 65 correct. In order to above 55, in order to stay above 55, you have to correct at least 63 to 65 questions. In order to help you only, we have designed this particular test series. Then our speciality, what is the speciality of our test series? Current affair is our best speciality. Current affair plus our maximum MCQ handling. Another one is what is happening in today's time in OPSC coaching institute in Odisha. I have personally found they are giving only ABCD. They are not giving explanation. We have solved this particular problem too in our test series. Most of the MCQ, whatever we will be providing you, maximum of them will be having an explanation. Only the particular question which is having only single point information, that will not be having explanation. Rest maximum we are trying to give explanation, because what happens, OPSC is not going to ask you that specific question. If you are having another information related to that particular question, even that information we want you to remember, so that even if related question are asked, then also you are able to handle the question. So what is the price of our high quality research based MCQ test series? Our price is 4,999 rupees. This is our price. And how you can join it? Basically, you can email me abishoy27@gmail.com, or you can email me askabacademy@gmail.com. Then there is a option of Google Pay, Phone Pay, Paytm. The moment you send me the email, I will be giving you my Google Pay number. Then after you will do the payment. Then after send the screenshot to the number given. Then if you are not having this particular option, then we are having another option. This particular account number I will put that in description box too. You can directly do SDFC account 03741150003866. This is my SDFC account number. You can directly transfer the money through internet banking, net banking, whatever, through your debit card. Then after you can, this IFSC code is SDFC 0000374. You can do the transaction. It is there, in my name is there, Anil Kumar Bishoy. Then after you can do the transaction and send the screenshot to the email address mentioning your Telegram number, because I will add you to the Telegram channel where test as well as the explanation will be provided to you. So very important. Then it is your Telegram number is important. If you are not a Telegram channel, then do download Telegram channel and send me through Telegram. Screenshot you can also send me through Telegram. Then what is the why you should join our test series? As I told you that OPSC has increased the 6 years age bar has been increased by OPSC. For that, many of the veterans have been coming for the examination. This time examination is going to get tougher. Competition will be higher. Even you can say the cutoff may go to in the higher range. In order to help you in the best possible way, do join our test series without delay. Then only I can help you in cracking the examination. The examination may be going to take place somewhere between April or May examination. So you are hardly another 60 days away from the examination, and we are providing you high quality 55 sets, which is going to be very much helpful to you. So it will be very much helpful. Then question pattern will be online with the OPSC question setting. Our test series question pattern will be in line with OPSC question setting. For this reason only you can join us. Apart from that, cutoff is going to get higher. So it is for the best benefit of you that you take the best test series. We can guarantee that our test series is the best. After coming back from exam, you will only realize it. Then research based MCQ. What we are providing is total research based MCQ. So very important. Do join. Do let me know if you want that I should also start a ASO test series. Do let me know. If the demand is high, then I will also provide you ASO test series. Thank you very much. Happy learning.